Your data has a story, but getting to it shouldn't be the hard part. This is NVEIL, a new way to reach real insight. Start by dropping your files, then describe what you're looking for in your own words. Seconds later, you get a fully interactive visualization. Need geographic insight? Maps and heat maps are built in. So are advanced statistics. No scripts, no exports. Where traditional tools make you wait, NVEIL just delivers. Every result is transparent. You can trust what you see. Behind every chart, there's a data pipeline you can inspect. Zero training, zero coding, zero setup. Build interactive dashboards and share them with live data. Real-time processing, always up to date. From business analytics to healthcare, science, and beyond. One platform, every industry. Designed for speed. Start your free pro trial, no credit card required.
NVEIL, from data to insight, naturally.